Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to present to you TED Optimus Trading Tournament 2023. Sharpen your stock market skills by competing in the largest trading tournament in town. Journey of a trader. When you first started, you feel that, oh, I make money every day, maybe a few hundred ringgit, for example. You feel that very easy to make money. After that, you feel that, oh, I am God. In Chinese we call 股神. Slowly, as time goes by, you start to encounter losses. And then after a period of time, you keep losing money. You doubt yourself. You ask yourself, how come? Last time when I use this strategy, it works. But now when I use this strategy, it does not work. And then you keep on losing money, keep on repeating the process. And this is where most of the traders give up, which is the learning and improvement journey. A lot of traders, they give up and then they feel like, trading is not for me. They start to blame the market. They start to blame everything. They start to blame that trading is pure gambling, for example. But if you can survive through this process, the learning and improvement path, eventually it's just a matter of time. When can you become a consistently profitable trader? Now, ladies and gentlemen, since you have to go through this process, if there's a choice for you to lose money using your own real money versus lose money using virtual money, which one is better? Of course, losing money using virtual money, because you still can learn trading skills, you still can learn trading strategy. The difference is that the moment you lose money, you lose virtual money. You're not losing your own capital, especially for you. If you are a student, if you are a fresh grad, and then you keep on saving money, hoping and praying that one day your trading can succeed. And then the moment when you first started trading, all your hard-earned money, you give it to the market. Now, with that, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to present to you TED Optimus Trading Tournament 2023. Sharpen your stock market skills by competing in the largest trading tournament in town.